Sunflower seeds. Small, unassuming, yet packed with a plethora of benefits. These tiny seeds, often overlooked in the realm of superfoods, are actually nutritional powerhouses. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, sunflower seeds offer a wide array of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the most notable benefits of sunflower seeds is their high vitamin E content. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In addition, vitamin E is also important for maintaining healthy skin and hair, making sunflower seeds a great choice for those looking to improve their overall appearance. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions. Magnesium is essential for maintaining healthy bones and muscles, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting a healthy immune system. In addition, magnesium has been shown to help reduce the risk of developing conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Including sunflower seeds in your diet can help ensure that you are getting an adequate amount of this important mineral. Another key benefit of sunflower seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues. In addition, fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Sunflower seeds are a convenient and tasty way to increase your fiber intake and reap the many benefits that come with it. In addition to their impressive nutritional profile, sunflower seeds are also a good source of healthy fats. These seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. These fats can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Including sunflower seeds in your diet can help you meet your daily fat intake goals, while also providing your body with the essential fatty acids it needs to function properly. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Including sunflower seeds in your diet can help ensure that you are getting an adequate amount of this important nutrient, even if you do not consume animal products. In addition to their many health benefits, sunflower seeds are also incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. These seeds can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to salads, soups, and stir-fries, or used to make homemade granola bars and energy bites. They can also be ground into a fine powder and used as a gluten-free flour alternative in baking recipes. With so many ways to enjoy them, there is no excuse not to include sunflower seeds in your diet. Overall, sunflower seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that offer a wide array of health benefits. From their high vitamin E content to their impressive fiber and protein content, these tiny seeds have a lot to offer. Whether you are looking to improve your heart health, support your immune system, or simply enjoy a tasty and convenient snack, sunflower seeds are a great choice. So why not add a handful of these nutritious seeds to your daily routine and start reaping the many benefits they have to offer?